Hi there, Nancy here at Porsche Colorado Springs. So do you ever just talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and feel like nobody is listening? Well, let's not duplicate in your beautiful brand new Cayenne what happens at home, all right? We've just paid for this, so we want it to listen to us. So I'm going to teach you a little trick about voice command. So if you hit the voice command button one time, that's the car. Anything that you would tell the car that the car will care about. The car will care if you're hot. She'll say it will be cooler soon. If you can tell her you're cold, she'll say it will be warmer soon. Perfect for women my age, by the way. You can say, take me to Target. Take me here, take me there, take me home. You can say, call so-and-so. But when you want a voice to text, it's very important that you talk to Siri. So you make that happen is you do a little longer press. When your Apple CarPlay is engaged, and I can't engage it now because if I do, I won't be able to do this video. But Siri will pop up on the screen. Just like you saw the blue microphone, you'll see the pink, blue, and white bubble. That is Siri. You tell her you want a voice to text. You don't tell her you're hot or you're cold because Siri just doesn't care. She's not going to say, yeah, you're hot. She won't. But you can say, play such and such on Spotify. You can say, play this Apple podcast. Yes, I know your car can do it, but sometimes it's just easy to do it with Siri, and especially the voice to text. So a really handy feature, something that'll keep your hands to your steering wheel and not all over your screen while you're trying to drive. You're welcome.